VERDE explores the idea of wellness and how to negotiate specific wellness concepts with the pressing need for affordable housing in Brooklyn. When we examined the context of the site, we found that there is a sparseness of food supply and medical facilities within walking distance. With the low income area and high necessity for health and wellness services, we want to address affordability and well being for our tenants and the neighborhood of Bed-Stuy. To achieve this, we examined existing residential and wellness centers, such as the Star Apartments and the St. Barnabas Wellness Center, a local housing and medical complex with the understanding that housing is healthcare. As a result, the massing takes the form of towers and slabs, organized to provide generous collective spaces at the ground level. The wellness, food, and healthcare programs are organized as plinths that negotiate the relationship between the ground and the towers. We repurposed the Myrtle Village Green to incorporate a multitude of collective spaces, providing the people of Bed-Stuy with a farmer's market, a park, and a green space to use, as we saw a lack of that in our studies of the neighborhood.
This starts with the public program. In our research, we found Bed-Stuy's residents consistently show higher rates of obesity, diabetes, hypertension, and general unhealthy living habits than the rest of the city. To address this, we included a farmer's market and a cafeteria to offer healthier dietary choices, as well as a large outdoor area to bring the Bed-Stuy community together. Moreover, we found a high amount of psychiatric hospitalizations that are tied to low mental health. We believe that preventative care is the key to long-term health and wellness. As a result, we also designed a preventative care facility on the more private side of the site that includes private therapy rooms, larger group rooms, and a fitness center. These, coupled with a farmer's market and outdoor areas, will aid residents in achieving a healthier life.
On the residential side, research shows a high amount of inadequate homes in Bed-Stuy, including low air quality, lack of air conditioning, and lack of well-maintained homes. To address this, we are using cross-laminated timber as our primary material in the units. We decided to use CLT as it has many ideal qualities, such as the sustainable manufacturing process, good insulative properties, and a positive effect on our health and well-being. Biophilic design is increasingly used in the built environment to boost occupant well-being through connection to nature and the use of natural elements. Each unit has ample light, natural ventilation, and exposure to nature through both the material choices and the balconies. Each unit's vegetative balcony allows residents to further connect with nature, improving both their physical and mental health. We aggregated the units in a way that facilitates the needs of the tenants. That is either shifting and extending units to create vegetative spaces, or eliminating modules altogether to create community spaces at higher floors.
Overall, these narrow towers are carefully placed along the site to connect the experience from Ken Ave to Myrtle Ave in this neighborhood. This is done through the green space and farmers market between the towers. The tenants in the neighborhood can be helped for what they need with the inclusion of farmers market, cafeteria, and green spaces, and a wellness center. Through modulation, units can be affordable and dense, helping as many people as possible in this urban environment. Thank you.